Hello, today I'm reviewing the Mkeke Privacy Screen Protector for iPhone 17 and iPhone 16 Pro. I like the screen protector because it helps to protect both your screen and your privacy. The privacy filter makes it difficult for people next to you see and what is in your phone, while the screen remains clear when viewed directly from the front. So now I am going to show you how to do it. It comes for, let's open 1, 2, 3 screen protector. Okay, this is the cleaner, and also they put it here how to do it, and this one. So now I'll show you how to do that. First, remove the old one. After, with the wipes, this is the red one, this is the dry one. Okay, if the dots remain, okay, put here, take this one, put it like that, put your phone like this, turn like that. After this one, pull over. Okay, then open. If something's left, you can put that and remove this one. Your phone is ready.